beautiful, rare, and delicious. This tree has it all. In my area, this species is quite rare, although it does go all the way down to Nicaragua. Here in central Texas, at the northernmost part of its range, it's very uncommon that I find these, but they are very easy to spot because of this smooth, peeling, reddish bark, and it has these big, leathery, tropical-looking leaves, because it is kind of more of a tropical species. But its fruits are really delicious. This is in the Ericaceae, or the heath family, along with blueberries, and the fruits are kind of like reddish blueberries. There's an arbutus species in California, Arbutus menziesii, and I've eaten a lot of those fruits, and those are really delicious and historically were popular among the natives in Northern California. The Mexican Kickapoo were known to eat the fruits of this species. They also use the wood for household implements such as ladles. It's very close-grained and a dense wood. So this is Texas madrone, Arbutus halapensis, or madronio, or amazaquitil, which is derived from Nahuatl and is very similar to mezquitil, which is also a Nahuatl word giving us our name for the mesquite tree.